dust in the moonlight is all I wanna see. Look up in the night sky, cause you know where to be seen. Never thought I'd be the one living for fantasy. Got me onto higher ground, I think I'm in too deep. When you heard me calling for you, already giving up on someone that you love, someone that you love, someone that you love.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Garen Elise, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a really quick review of this wig by Model Model. It is called Rex in the color OM27P. Now this wig is not new at all. It's been around for a while, maybe a couple years or so. I've seen several reviews on YouTube of people wearing the wig, and from what I've seen, it looks really nice. It's the style and length that I typically wear. I usually go for shorter styles. I don't really wear a lot of long hair, and I think it's because I'm short, and it just, to me, it just doesn't look right on me. So shorter styles in this cut flatter me a little better than longer styles. So I'm excited to try this wig on. I've been meaning to try it for a while. So this is the stock card with the model, and the color that I have is OM27P, which is kind of like a dark root with a mix of like 27, color number 30, there might be color number 4 thrown in there, but it's a really pretty mix of colors, and I'll show you the wig in just a second. The parting space is extreme L part, as it says on the stock card, which means it has the parting space kind of curves a little bit, giving it a more natural appearance. The wig is curling iron safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It comes in a lot of different colors, ranging from your typical 1B to 4. And then it comes in a few different dark roots, and then gradually fades into different colors. Again, 27, there's OM430, OM530, and then there's a dark purple color, which I have not seen yet, but I'm sure it looks nice. So yeah. Alright, so before I put the wig on, I'm just gonna go through the cap construction. So this is the wig. Really pretty mix of colors. There's some 27 in there, there's some 30, and then like at the very bottom there's like the color number, looks like it's color number 4. So it's a very pretty blend of colors. They colored the wig very nicely. The parting space, so because this is a extreme side parting, the lace is a little different. It didn't come with any lace, so I didn't have to cut any lace off. And this is what the parting space looks like. So it comes with a little parting space with 2 combs right around it. There's no lace on the perimeter of the wig at all. And I guess that's what gives it that extreme side part. We'll see in a second. But there's that. There's also a comb in the back, and there's also adjustable straps. So that's the construction of this wig. Alright, so let's put it on and see what she looks like.
Like paper airplanes that glide across the globe. Gold dust in the daylight is when I need you most. Living in a place where I can't seem to keep you close, but you just go where the wind.
Alright, so this is the final look. I'm not too crazy about this wig, and I'll tell you why. And it has to do with the extreme side part. So I showed you that the wig did not come with any lace. I didn't have to cut any lace. It just came with just a narrow parting space with 2 combs right around it. And the problem with that is it doesn't lay onto my head. Like the parting space or the lace that is there does not lay on my scalp. and it just, to me, it just doesn't look natural. It kind of looks very wiggy. It gives it more of the appearance as if it was not a lace wig. So I'm not too crazy about that. But other than that, I do like the color. The color is really nice. I do like the texture of the hair. It's like a yaki. Kind of feels like freshly pressed hair. So that's really nice. I can run my fingers through it without any shedding. Nothing comes out. Yeah, and the length of the wig is a really nice length. It comes a little past my shoulders. So that's really nice. Yeah, so the only thing that I don't like about this wig is the lace, the parting space. It just doesn't look natural. I would have preferred if they did include more lace to give it that more of like, it looks like your scalp, because it right now it kind of, I mean, I might be able to take some of my own hair and fix it, but yeah, I don't know if I like it. We'll see. I'll play around with it a little bit more and see how that goes. But yeah, this is the wig. I'm gonna do a little spin around so you can see it. The side part is really nice. They give you a really nice layers to play around with. So there's that. So I do like that. And now I'm just gonna give you a quick turnaround so you can see the wig in different angles. So this is on one side. This is the back. And this is the other side. And then finally back to the front. So yeah, that's it. So let me know what you think about this wig. Again, I do like the color, I do like the texture, I do like the length of the hair. Just not crazy about the extreme side part, mostly the parting space, but I think that's fixable. So I'm gonna play around with it some more and I'll figure that out. But other than that, it's a really nice wig. It's very sleek, very sophisticated. I would say it's an everyday go to work kind of wig. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section, and I will leave all of the details as to where I purchased this hair. I think I purchased it on Sam's Beauty for about $24, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna check. But yeah, let me know what you think, and please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.